Hello, my name is Gretchen and I wanted to hop on in here and introduce my channel. The plan is for me to upload every Monday and we will cover all kinds of things. I have been a long time subscriber of so many wonderful women and they have inspired me to start my channel. And also my husband will watch me every night, watch them on YouTube, and he also asked me, would say, or actually would tell me, you know what, babe, you can do this. You love makeup, you love all that stuff, you love to talk, so why don't you do it? You might as well do it. So thank you, honey, for the encouragement. And so here I am with my own channel. And we're going to talk about all kinds of things, like I was saying, life, lifestyle. I love makeup. I love skincare, so there's gonna be lots of that. I like to cook. I'm Puerto Rican. I have friends that have asked me if I would show them how to do a few dishes, so we may have that in the channel as well. And yeah, we're just gonna have fun and just upload whatever I feel like uploading. Or better yet, if you guys see something that you would like me to try, I will look for it. If I can afford to buy it, try it, and give you my opinion on it. Or also, if you gals see a makeup look that you may like and want me to do a tutorial on that specific look, leave it in the comments down below and I will do it. So we'll just have fun. I'm so excited to be here. I would love to begin my videos with what I like to call my Monday Nugget. And it's just a line, a verse, maybe a song, anything that I might have learned, or something that might inspire me during the week. So we begin our week with something inspirational, something that would help us to be better women, mothers, sisters, co-workers, people, better people. So yes, I hope that you come on in, get comfortable, give me likes. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't come into YouTube every night, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload my videos. Until then, I'm sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah. Bye.